Let me show you how you can import videos into vMix. So the first thing you have to do is to open your vMix software, and then you go to where you have add input right here. Now there are two options. We have the video and the camera option. Now for the camera option, if you are maybe going to make use of a DSLR camera or a video switcher, then you have to come to camera like. That is, if you want to add a live feed, okay? So you come to camera and then you scroll down to the exact option you want to use. Now, for example, if you're using a DSLR camera, you're going to see it right here in this menu. Or if you're using any form of video input device, it's going to appear right here. Okay, but for this tutorial, I'm not going to use a live video. I'm going to use a video I already have on my laptop. So in other words, I have to come to where I have video, and then I come to where I have browse, and then it takes me to the video folder on my laptop. So I'm going to double click to import this one, and then I come down here to click OK. So let me repeat the process to add another video. Once again, you come to add input, and then you go to browse right here. Then you locate the video where the video is on your laptop. Okay, let me go for this one, and then you click OK. So as you can see right here, the videos have been imported. So this is how you can import any video right into your vMix software. If you want to learn more about vMix, I have other videos on vMix on this channel, so do well to watch all of them. So thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please like this video, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, and of course turn on the notification so you will be notified whenever I post more amazing tech videos. So thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.